In this video, we're going to discover how we can A/B test the sender profile. So this is the send from settings on our email campaign. When we first load the app, click on sender profile. We can see here we're being asked to test two variations, so an A test and a B test. If we like, we can boost this to 3 by clicking the plus symbol. Okay, next we're being asked what campaign would we like to send. So specify the campaign by clicking on select. Let's click on our campaign. Okay, we're now being asked who would we like to send this to. So again, we click on select to tag our mailing lists. Navigate to your desired folder and click on the mailing lists that you'd like to use. We can tag as many mailing lists as we like. We can see when we tag them, they go blue. Okay, we can now see we've got a slider come up. This is to specify our test sample size. So by default, this is on 10%. So on 10%, a random 10% of these 3 mailing lists will be used to perform our sample test. We can see a summary over here. For segment A, 325 people will receive segment A. As for segment B, 325 people will receive segment B. After we've determined the winner, the winning segment will be sent to the remainder of our list, which is 5,800 people. We can use the slider over here to tweak this number to increase it or decrease it. Okay, as we're A/B testing our sender profiles, we're now being asked to tag our sender profiles for segment A and for segment B. So let's tag the segment A sender profile. And now segment B. Okay, so our segment A campaign will be sent from this sender profile, and our segment B campaign will be sent from this sender profile. And finally, we need to specify the send time and winner selection. So this is the start time that you want the experiment to start. We can modify this by clicking on the clock symbol. So perhaps I set it for tomorrow at 11:15 AM. And finally, let the app know how we'd like to determine which segment won. Was it by highest opens or most clicks on our campaign? And the last section is specifying the wait time. This is the amount of time we should wait before we should evaluate and determine which segment won. By default, this is 24 hours, but you can change this to increase it or decrease it as you wanted. And when we're ready, we can click on Run Test over here. We just get a confirmation message asking us if we're ready to A/B test the sender profile to 6.5k subscribers. When you're happy to go ahead, click on Let's do it.